Hello, I need a new smartphone today.
Hello, my name is Sarah. I can help you with that.
My old phone is very slow. It is 5 years old.
5 years is a long time for a phone. You need an upgrade.
What is the best phone in this store? I want something fast.
We have many great options here. Do you like big screens or small screens?
I prefer a medium screen. It must fit in my pocket.
That is a good point. Look at this blue model over here.
The color is very nice. It matches my blue t-shirt.
You are right. It is a very popular color this year.
Is the battery good on this model? I travel a lot.
Yes, the battery lasts for 2 days. It's very strong.
That is perfect for me. I hate charging my phone every hour.
This phone also has fast charging. It's ready in 30 minutes.
That is very impressive technology. How much memory does it have?
It has 256 gigabytes. You can save many photos and videos.
I take a lot of photos of my dog. He's very cute.
Then you need a great camera. This phone has 3 lenses.
3 lenses on one phone? That is a lot of glass.
One lens is for wide photos, the other is for zooming in.
Can I try the camera now? I want to see the quality.
Of course, take a photo of those flowers over there.
The picture is very sharp. The colors are very bright.
The screen is an OLED display. Everything looks very realistic on it.
It is much better than my old phone. My old screen is broken.
A broken screen is very dangerous for fingers. You need a new one.
Is this phone waterproof? I sometimes walk in the rain.
Yes, it has a high water rating. It is safe in the rain.
That is very good news. I live in a very rainy city.
Then this is a very smart choice for you, Tom.
How is the sound quality? I love listening to music.
It has stereo speakers. The sound is very loud and clear.
Can I connect my old headphones? They have a wire.
You need a small adapter. This phone does not have a jack.
Oh, I see. Most new phones are like that now.
Yes, but we also have wireless headphones. They're very comfortable.
Maybe I will buy them later. Let's focus on the phone first.
Good idea. Do you play games on your phone?
Sometimes I play simple games, nothing too heavy or fast.
The processor is very modern. All games will run very smoothly.
Does it have face recognition? I want to open it fast.
Yes, it scans your face. It is very secure and quick.
That is much better than a password. I always forget my numbers.
You can also use a fingerprint. The sensor is under the screen.
Under the glass? That is like a movie from the future.
Technology moves very fast. This phone is very advanced.
Is it easy to use? I am not a tech expert.
It is very simple. The menus are very clear and clean.
Can I change the font size? My eyes get tired.
Yes, you can make the text very large. It is easy to read.
That is very helpful for me. I read a lot of news.
The phone also has a night mode. It protects your eyes.
I like that feature. I use my phone before bed.
The night mode makes the light warm. It helps you sleep better.
Sarah, you know everything about phones. You are a great expert.
Thank you, Tom. I love learning about new gadgets.
What about the price? Is it very expensive?
It is a mid-range price. It is not cheap, but not too high.
I have a budget today. I hope it fits my wallet.
We have a special discount this week. You can save some money.
Let's look at the video quality now. It is very important.
Can it record in 4K? My friend says 4K is best.
Yes, it records in 4K. The videos look like real movies.
I want to film my dog running. He is very fast.
This phone has image stabilization. The video will not shake.
That is perfect. My hands always shake a little bit.
Look at this slow motion feature. It is very fun for pets.
Wow, the dog looks like he's flying in the air.
It is a great way to make funny videos for friends.
Does it have a good front camera for video calls?
Yes, the selfie camera is 12 megapixels. It is very clear.
I talk to my parents every Sunday. They want to see me.
They will see you very well, even in low light.
Low light is good. My living room is a bit dark.
The camera has a night mode too. It makes dark photos bright.
This phone is smarter than me. It does everything automatically.
That is the goal. You just press the button and enjoy.
What about the glass? Is it strong or easy to break?
It is Gorilla Glass. It is very hard to scratch or crack.
I still want a protective case. Do you have any?
We have many cases over there. They are different colors.
Do you have a blue case? I want everything blue.
Yes, we have a beautiful dark blue case. It is very strong.
I will take the case too. Safety is very important for me.
Good choice. A case can save your phone from a fall.
I dropped my old phone on the street. That is why it is broken.
We also have screen protectors. They are made of thin glass.
Please add a screen protector too. I want maximum protection.
I can put it on for you. It will be perfectly straight.
Thank you, Sarah. You are very helpful and professional.
Let's talk about storage again. Do you have many apps?
I have about 50 apps. Most of them are for travel.
50 apps take some space. 256 gigabytes is enough for you.
Can I add a memory card later, like a small chip?
No, this model does not have a slot for cards.
Then I should take the bigger version, maybe 512 gigabytes?
512 is very large. You can save thousands of high-quality songs.
I don't want to see memory full ever again. It is annoying.
I understand. The 512 version is a bit more expensive.
That is okay. It's a long-term investment for me.
Excellent. We have the 512 version in blue in stock.
That is lucky. It is my lucky day today.
Does this phone use a physical SIM card or an eSIM?
I have a small plastic card. Can I put it inside?
Yes, it has a slot for one plastic card. It also supports eSIM.
What is an eSIM? Is it a virtual card?
Yes, it is inside the phone. You don't need plastic anymore.
That is very convenient for traveling to other countries.
Exactly. You can have two phone numbers at the same time, one for work and one for home.
That is very smart.
Yes, many people use that feature. It is very popular now.
Does the phone come with a charger in the box?
It comes with a cable, but the wall plug is separate.
Why is it separate? My old plug is very slow.
Most companies do this now, to protect the environment.
I see. Then I need a new fast charger too.
I will add a 30-watt charger to your order. It is very fast.
Perfect. I want my new phone to be ready for work.
You are getting a great set of tools today, Tom.
I am very excited to turn it on and see the screen.
Let's go to the counter. I will prepare your receipt.
Do you accept credit cards or just cash?
We accept all cards. You can also pay with your watch.
I don't have a smartwatch. I use my old wallet.
That is fine. Many people still use classic wallets.
Does the phone have a warranty for 1 or 2 years?
It has a 2-year warranty. It covers all factory problems.
What if I drop it in the lake? Does it cover that?
No, but we have extra insurance for accidents. Do you want it?
How much does the insurance cost for 1 year?
It is $50. It covers broken screens and water damage.
I think I will take it. I'm a bit clumsy sometimes.
It is a wise decision. It gives you peace of mind.
Now I feel very safe with my new blue phone.
I am scanning the phone now. The price is $700.
That includes the discount, right? The special weekly offer?
Yes, the discount is already in the system. You save $50.
That is great. I can buy a nice dinner tonight.
Or some extra treats for your cute dog.
You are right. Buster loves his treats very much.
Please sign your name here on the digital pad.
My signature is not very pretty. Is that okay?
It is perfect. It is just for the bank records.
I'm excited to open the box. Can I open it here?
Yes, I can help you set it up. It takes 5 minutes.
Can you move my old photos to the new phone?
Yes, I can do a data transfer. It is very easy.
Thank you, Sarah. You are saving me a lot of time.
It is my job. I want my customers to be happy.
I am a very happy customer today. Thank you for everything.
Look, your photos are moving to the new screen now.
I can see my dog. The quality is amazing on this display.
The transfer is almost finished. Your apps are loading too.
Everything looks so different. It is very modern and fast.
You will learn the new gestures in one day. It is easy.
No more physical buttons. I just swipe my finger up.
Exactly. Swipe up to go home, swipe left to go back.
It feels very natural, like a real touch of a paper.
The screen is very smooth. It has a high refresh rate.
What does that mean? Refresh rate.
It means the image moves very smoothly. It does not flicker.
I can see the difference. My old phone was very laggy.
Now you have a powerful computer in your pocket.
I will take many videos today. The park is very pretty.
Don't forget to charge it tonight. The battery is at 50%.
I will use my new fast charger. I am ready for the future.
Here is your bag. Your old phone is in the small pocket.
I will keep it as a backup, just in case of emergency.
That is a smart idea. Here is my business card too.
If I have a problem, can I call you, Sarah?
Yes, you can call the store, ask for Sarah from the tech department.
Thank you. You are a very kind and helpful person.
It was a pleasure meeting you, Tom. Enjoy your new phone.
I am going to the park now. I want to test the camera.
Have a great time. Say hello to your dog for me.
I will. Bye-bye, Sarah. Have a nice day at work.
Goodbye, Tom. See you next time in our store.